Okay, so this question is on a closed interval from 0 to 1, the quantity x plus 1 squared times the square root of 3 plus quantity x plus 1 cubed dx. And because we can't do any kind of simple integration with this, we have to use u substitution, and so I'll be substituting x plus 1 for u. So let's start. If u equals x plus 1, du equals the derivatives of dx. And so, from 0 to 1, u squared square root of 3 plus u cubed du. And since we can't really do any simple integration with this either, we have to use u substitution again, but we'll be choosing two different variables, so I'm going to choose z. So z equals z equals 3 plus u cubed. And I picked that because I'm going to get, when I make the derivative, so dz equals 3u squared du. Nope, that's wrong. This should be, no, that's right. Okay. And then we just solve for, okay, dz over 3u squared equals dq. Okay. And so now we're going to put that in our integral 0 to 1. U squared square root of our new variable z. And then dz is dz over 3u squared. The u squares cancel out and 1/3 comes out. 1/3, and then from 0 to 1 is the square root of z dz. And I'm going to rewrite this as 1/2 so it's easier to integrate. And I have 1/3 from 0 to 1, but I'm going to integrate it, so I'm going to erase that real fast. So it's going to be 1/3 multiplied by, we're adding 1 to this exponent, so it's going to be z 3/2 over 3/2 because we have to put our exponent as our denominator. And we're integrating on this closed interval from 1 to 0. Okay, so now that we've finished integrating, and we have 1/3 times z to 3/2 over 3/2, integrated from 1 to 0, we have to plug back in our z. I wrote our z here and our u here. So 1/3, and let's write this a little bit better, 2 over 3 times, it's going to be 2z, and I'm going to put in z right now, so 3 plus u cubed, 3 over 2, on the integral 0 to 1. And now, one more step, we have to put our u back in to get 1/3 times 2, 3 plus x plus 1 cubed, and then let me move this 0 fast. 3/2 all over 3. We go from 0 to 1, and now we start plugging things in. So we have 1/3 times 2 times 3 plus 1 cubed to 3/2 power over 3. Okay. Minus 1/3 2 cubed plus 0 plus 1 cubed to 3/2 power all over 3. And when we work this out, we have 2 cubed, which is 8. So 3 plus 8 is 11. And let me just simplify this a little bit. So 1/3 2 times. This is going to be 11 to the 3/2 power over 3 minus 1/3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 cubed is 1 plus 3 is 4. So 2 times 4 to the 3/2 power all over 3. And we've gotten to 1/3 times 2 times 11 to the 3/2 power over 3 minus 1/3 times 2 times 4 to the 3/2 power over 3. We just have to condense everything into one answer. And so first I'm going to multiply 1/3 in so we can have everything over 9. So 2 times 11 to the 3/2 power over 9 minus 2 times 4 to the 3/2 power over 9. And so, because I did not know what 11 cubed was, I put in my calculator. And it was 2 times the square root of 1,331 over 9 minus 2 times the square root of 4 cubed, which is 64, all over 9. And because I did not do this in radical form, I have it in decimals, and this ends up being 8, this term ends up being around 8.107 minus 1.7 repeating, and these two decimals give you the answer of approximately 6.329.